Welcome back to my day 18 Python series. Today I will continue with my list. Yesterday I explained about what is list and features of list, and most importantly I explained about mutability and immutability. Today I will explain you about the inbuilt methods of list. Okay. So what are the inbuilt methods that are available? There are some inbuilt methods that are available. Append is the first one, and I have we have some other methods. Remove, we have a method called index. Okay, so we have a method called pop. So we have a method called extend. So we have a method called sort. So we have a method called reverse. So these are the some of the methods. For now, I will explain one by one. What is this append? What is this remove? What is this index? Everything I will explain. So yeah, let's get into the code editor. So it will be very good if you do it in real time, right? In the same list file, I will take a list L1 equal to. So this is an empty list. Okay. First method, I need to add some values into the list. Interviewer will ask you, what is the method that you will use to add some elements into a list? You have to answer append. The answer should be append. Now L1 dot append. Here I will give 12. Okay. So if I run this, so let's print. Okay. First I need to print, right, to see the elements of list 1. See, 12. Okay, cool. Now I will add two elements at a time. Okay. When you do this, when you do this, rapa errors. What kind of errors? Rapa errors. Because you are not supposed to give multiple elements inside this append. In the previous video, I was explaining you about a list, right? So there also I found an error. So in the same way, whenever you use multiple values, multiple elements, if you try to append multiple elements, you will get this error. That error is list.append takes exactly one argument. So always go through the errors. Okay. So basically it's a saying that it will take only one argument, one value, one element at a time. That's the whole thing. Now let's see. I have added 12. Okay. So let's have two more elements. Okay. I will have 23. I will have uh, 45. Okay. So three elements I added. So L1, I will print this. Okay. I will print this. Print L1. Now, if you we will get three elements. Okay. Now, let's see the length. What is the length of this list one? So, let's print the length of list 1. Okay. So the basically the length will be the number of elements that are present in that list are equal to the length. Okay. If I run, I have three elements, the length will be 3. Okay. This is the one method. Again, length is the method that is used to get the length of the list. Also, this length can be used with string also. You work with the string. For now, I will only go through list. This is the one method. Now, okay, two methods. I have added the elements. Now let's see. I want to remove a element. I want to remove element. So I have 12, I have 23, I have 45. Let's remove 45. So L1 dot remove. So remove is the method to which is used to remove a element from a list. I want to remove 45. Okay. I want to remove 45. See? So like after modification, if I print L1, see, if I run this, see, I'm getting only 12 and 23. So this is the way to remove. Now the interviewer will ask, I don't know element, but I want to remove a element. Okay, I want to remove a element at the position 2. Okay, he will say I want to remove an element at the position 2. For now, I will remove this. I will take a new list. I will take, so just to explain about append, I have taken this empty list. Now let's take some 23 and 24, 25, 26, 27. Now the interviewer will ask you, I want to remove the I don't know which element, but I want to element which is present at the position 3. For that, you can use a method called pop. So, okay, you have to mention the index, the interval, like, so L1 dot remove pop, you have to use pop. So at which position I want to remove at the position 3. Already I said you, so this is the zero index. Okay, and the lists are zero indexed. If I count, this is a zero. So let's take a comment line here. See, this is 0. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, this is 1, comma, this is 2, comma, this is 3, comma, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the element which is at the position 3, that is 26, will be removed. You can check. See, 23, 24, 25, 27. You don't have 26. Okay, this is a one way. Now in the same way, he will ask you to, I need to insert a element. I need to add an element. So basically, see, if I use append is the method which is used to add an element. Okay, I will add 100. Okay, now I'll print L1. Okay, so if I do this, if I run this, so see, the output that I am getting here is 23, 24, 25, 27, 100. Basically, it is getting added at the end of the list. Now, if the interviewer asks, no, I want to have the 100 at the first index, For that, we have a beautiful method called insert L1 dot insert. So you use this method, and at what position, which position you need to add? I need to add at the zeroth position, and the value that I want to add is, I will add 200. Okay, so 200 basically in this 23 here in the zeroth position, I will add 200. Okay, now I will print the list. Okay, I will print the list. Okay, the output will be, I will say first 100, 23, 24, 25, 27, and here I am, why I am skipping 26, because here I am removing at third position. That's the one thing. So the 26 will not come, and 27 you will get. At the end, you will have 100. Okay, basically 200 will be the first value, 100 will be the last value, and 26 will be removed. Okay, now I will run. See, wait. Once again, yeah, see, 200, 23, 24, 25, 27, 100. Okay, so this is what. So I will run again if you want. See, first I have removed that third element, that 6. 26 will be removed. You can see 26 is removed. Now I am appending 100, which is basically getting added at the end of the list. Okay, so I am adding 200. I'm inserting at the position 0, 200. In this way, you can insert the elements at the positions that you want. This is the another way to insert the element. Okay, now, so you have come across these methods. These are the very useful methods, and I have explained you about append, pop, remove, insert, length, and I will use one more beautiful method. That is, see, I have 23, 24, 26, 27. I will take one more list. Okay, so I will take one more list. And I will use 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. Okay. Now interviewer will ask, I want you to add these two elements. Basically, I need to have a list where we will have both the elements. Okay. Where I can have these two list elements in a single list. For that, you have a beautiful method called L1 dot extend L2. Okay, this L2 elements will be added into this L1. Okay, if I run this, see, you are getting done. Why? Because you are supposed to reinitialize in the same. I am again saying this is the method where it needs assignment. Okay, there is no inline modification. Okay, inline replacement you can't do. So now I'll print L1. So what will be the output? Again, none. What's happening? Kya chal raha hai? Why it's not happening? Let's take L3. Okay, L3. See, it's stored in a new element. Okay, so you have to take a new list. In that new list, these two lists will be stored. Okay, if you try to use L2 or L1, so both you will get some none. Okay, basically nothing you will get. Okay, so if you try to print, so I'm taking L2 is equal to L1 dot extend L2. So if I use here L2, so again you will get none. Okay, see, none. So this is L1, L2. Okay, so you should understand this. This is the one way. Now let's go and let's see one more beautiful method. You have this L3. Let's take this is L3, and in this L3 you have so I will run this. See, so what's happening here? L3. Okay, wait. Okay, guys. So basically, see. Now also you'll get, so basically L1 dot extend. So this L1 list is getting extended with L2. Okay. So you'll print L1 and you'll get this output. Okay. So let's do opposite. L2 and L1. Don't get confused here. So if I print L1, you'll get this L1. But if you want that updated L2, run this. See, so first A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Okay. So you are not, you can do this in a line and you can print in a new line. Okay. So this is the another way of doing it. So this is about extend method. Basically, extend is used to add two different lists. Okay. So L1 equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. L2 equal to 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now if you do L1 dot extend L2, L1 dot extend L2, and if you print L1, so this L1 will have both L1 and L2. So see, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is the extend method. Now we have this lost method. So I will end my video with this one or two methods, that is very important methods. In interviews, interviewer will ask you, they will give you list. Okay, they will directly will give you a list like 1, 2, 3, and -1, -2, like this they will give, and they will ask, they will brilliantly they will ask, I need this -1 and -2 first. So what should I do now? Like that they will ask. I write a program for that. They will ask. So at that time, you need to ask, sir, can I use sort method? Sort is actually built-in method. Basically, it will sort. Okay. So L1 dot sort. Okay. I will sort this and I'll print L1. See, in single line you will get, it will be sorted. So you should ask like that. When they ask, you need to do this. This is the one way. And else, no, you are not supposed to use some inbuilt methods. Use some sorting techniques that we will discuss. We will learn about sorting techniques. For now, you understood this. Sort is the inbuilt method that is used to sort the elements in a list. So you can have some string elements also. So like let's have z, x, okay, y. So basically, when you sort this, the output will be x, y, z. Okay, x, y, z. See, x, y, z. So it works with the strings, but whenever you are sorting, you need to have the homogeneous only. Usually it supports heterogeneous, but if you are using sort, you should have homogeneous type of data. That's the one thing. And after this, so you understood this, and there is a method called reverse, that basically it will reverse the array. So reverse. Okay, so print L1. So what will be the output? See, y, x, z. Y is the first x. So reverse, basically it will reverse whatever the thing you have. So this is all about lists and list methods. So there are some concepts on lists and strings, that is lists basically. That is list comprehension and list slicing, that I will discuss in the next video. Okay, that's very much useful and very much important. Also, I will try to make some videos. Yeah, so there will be some biscuit questions, like some interviewers will try to confuse you. I will do that in the next video. I will explain in the next video. So until then, keep watching my videos, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with as many as people possible, because the people who are learning, so it will be useful for them. So thank you, and take care. Bye bye.